Still stuck designing one screen at a time? Imagine generating your entire app or website, every page, every user journey in just minutes. Introducing Sketchflow AI, an all-in-one tool that instantly creates complete user journeys and multi-page projects. Lets you edit with AI, preview live prototypes, and collaborate effortlessly. Let me show you how it works. Welcome to AI Ustad 2.0 for latest AI updates. Let's go to Google and search for Sketchflow AI, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Sketchflow AI, where you can start your creative journey with AI-generated design and prototyping for your app or website. First, click on Get Started. Here you can create an account using Google, Facebook, GitHub, Microsoft, or iOS. For this demonstration, I'll use my Google account. With Sketchflow AI, you can create a design and prototype by describing your idea or by using an image. In this video, we'll explore both, create by description and create by images. You can also see your previous projects here. Let's start with create by description. For this, input your idea. I'll paste the following prompt. You are an advanced e-commerce website design to provide a customer with a smooth, engaging, and trustworthy online shopping experience. Create a fully functional online shopping store with the following features: homepage, product listing, search and navigation, shopping cart and checkout, user account. Once your prompt is ready, select a device by clicking on Device. You can create designs and prototypes for web applications, mobile applications, desktop, and tablet. Select whichever you need. For this demo, I'll choose Web. Next, select the aspect ratio by clicking on Ratio. There are different types available, so pick the one that fits your needs. Once everything is set, press Enter. Sketchflow AI will generate a workflow. Be patient. Once your workflow is ready, you can see every detail. You can connect pages for prototyping, delete a page, copy a page, or edit pages as needed. You can select the product screens you want to generate in the workflow. For that, click on Generate All Screens or select specific screens, then click Generate Interface. Now choose a style. There are options like minimalism, flat design, modern business, classic academia, futuristic cyber UI, and dark color scheme. You can also describe your own web design style. Once done, click Generate Interface. Sketchflow AI will take a few seconds to generate your design, so be patient. When your design is ready, you'll see it looks awesome. With Sketchflow AI, you can create this type of design without hiring an expensive UI designer. You can customize your web design as needed. To edit, select any text. You can change the font color, copy text, underline, italicize, or bold it. Just select the text and apply the style you want. It's amazing how easily you can customize your design with Sketchflow AI. Without images, a design feels incomplete. With Sketchflow AI, you can generate default images. Click on Generate Images for current page. It will take a few seconds. Once ready, you'll see the images are perfectly matched to your content. To generate images for all pages, simply click on Provide Picture for all pages. In a few seconds, images will be generated for every page. This is the beauty of Sketchflow AI. The default images fit your design and text, making your project more attractive and easy to understand, a feature missing in many other AI design tools. Now let's see the prototype. Click on Preview. You'll land on the home page. To sign up on your website, click Sign Up. You'll be taken to the Sign Up page. Enter your email and password to create an account, or continue with Google. Now you're in the dashboard of your online shopping store. Click Add to Cart to purchase items. You can increase or decrease the quantity, delete items, and proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping address, select shipping options, and continue to payment. Choose your payment method, review the order summary, and proceed. This is the beauty of Sketchflow AI. The prototype is interactive and realistic, letting you create the best design for your needs. You can further edit your design by clicking on any text and making changes. You can also edit flex, dimensions, typography, appearance, fill, and stroke. Click on typography to change font weight, size, letter spacing, or color. Once everything is set, click Share to share your project with colleagues. You can manage permissions, enable or disable import options, copy a link, or export your web design. Click Export to download your design as a Sketch or HTML demo package. Confirm your selection, and your files are ready. With Sketchflow AI, you can easily create designs for websites, mobile apps, desktop, and tablet. Select aspect ratios and edit everything as needed. Now let's go through Design by Image. Click on Create by Image. Sketchflow AI supports up to 10 design reference images, each under 5 megabytes. Click Upload a reference image from your computer, select one, and click Open. Once your image uploads, add a description as needed. Select your device. I'll choose Web. Then select the aspect ratio. In the prompt bar, describe your design. For example, I need this type of app for my online shopping store, then press Enter. Sketchflow AI will take a few seconds to generate your design. Once your design is ready, you can easily edit it as needed. Change font style and size by clicking on Design, then Typography. Increase or decrease font size, change font weight or family. If your design needs images, click Generate Image for current page. Sketchflow AI will generate images in seconds. When your image is ready, your design will look even better. You can share your design with collaborators or export it by clicking Export to download as a Sketch or HTML demo package. Choose the format that best fits your needs. With Sketchflow AI, you can create and prototype designs easily, whether by describing your idea or using images. Unlike most design tools that force you to create each page separately, Sketchflow AI lets you generate entire multi-page projects from a single prompt. Perfect for real-world workflows with 10, 20, or more pages. Soon, you'll even be able to deploy your project as a live, fully functional website, no coding required. From idea to interactive prototype, Sketchflow AI makes professional, multi-page design faster, easier, and more collaborative than ever. Try out this amazing tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.